So join me in this video for kind of a get ready style chit chat and learn a bit about different health philosophies. It make you more aware, and maybe it's inspiring to check in with yourself on your own emotions and to check in and really value your health. Or if your body is in diseases, your body's not at ease. Hello and welcome back, all my wonderful hippies. Thank you for joining the community. This video is all inspired by a motivational author called Louise Hay, and she does a lot of her whole philosophy is radical self-love and kind of like metaphysical healing. She looks at like holistic health, and I love her book You Can Heal Yourself. She has hundreds and hundreds of stuff online and affirmation tapes, and she's really inspiring, her life story as well. So this all came about, and I wanted to talk about this in the video today because I was recently in the hospital. So I had to get my appendix out, like an emergency operation. So it was very scary, and it just really makes you value your health. Everything's fine. I'm on the recovery stretch now. So join me in this video for kind of a get ready style chit chat and learn a bit about different health philosophies. So the reason I'm into all these is because I used to work in the beauty, massage, spa industry, and a lot of treatments you come across combine a lot of these philosophies. Like I did a whole video about the spa treatment hot stone. So that is also working with your energy and root causes, and that if you're well balanced and your like mind body connection is in sync, you're not like overwhelmed with a certain type of negative emotion which would long term damage your health. Obviously this is different than if you have like a physical accident, you trip or you fall, you need some type of like medical attention that way. But anything that's chronic or ongoing, or anything that is like accumulates in the body over time, can have a root cause of emotions. So the mind-body connection is really strong, and even Louise Hay speaks about mind-body-spirit connection as well. So if you're not in alignment, or if your body is in diseases, your body's not at ease, these ailments can manifest in the body. The root cause being emotional anguish or mental anguish that accumulates over time. I also did an advanced massage course in Lomi Hawaiian traditional massage, and in that they also teach about this concept like forgiveness and thank you, and these certain words that to repeat to yourself, that the vibration and the sentiment behind these words like that our body can hold on to emotions. Sure, they do like somatic yoga, somatic exercises to show how like they say if your hips are really tight, it's like childhood trauma. Like they see how if you look at kids, they're just so they're flexible, they can move their body. So it's like showing you how over time things get compounded, and your body can hold on to these emotions and give you like a physical manifestation of it. So yeah, in the Hawaiian tradition, to say like I forgive you, and you say thank you and you show appreciation, like that's all this similar to Louise Hay in my mind anyway, that it's showing that gratitude, it's showing that self-love, self-respect, and that you show that to other people then, that we're all on a much higher level, that we're all connected, that we all have the same and the similar emotions, that emotions your thoughts lead to emotions, and your emotions then lead to your behavior and your beliefs over time then. So if you think the same thought over and over again, and you have the same emotional response over and over again, that'll ingrain itself into your daily habits, into your routines, into your behaviors, and into your personality. So you don't want that stuck if it's something negative, like, is it serving you? So yeah, just to know that you're in the driver's seat, that you're in control, that an emotion is just that, emotion. Yes, it comes from a thought, but you have the power to change them. You aren't your thoughts. So a lot of this is also linked to like New Age philosophy, or Stoicism, I think they call it. I don't know if some of it relates to Buddhism, maybe. Could be wrong on that note. Let me know down below if you agree with some of these things. So I'm just seeing a real connection across the board of all like holistic, even acupuncture. They all just talk about this manifestation of the mind and emotions into the body in different ways. Like in acupuncture, it's or like in traditional Thai massage, it's your sen line energies that can get blocked. In acupuncture, it's like, I'm not trained in acupuncture, so it's more like just a general grasp I have of that. That it would be like your energies are blocked, the flow of energy is blocked. So because like when two neurons communicate with each other, when two cells communicate chemical messages, like that is technically energy. So that's what they mean. So on a biological level, going off on a tangent here. But yeah, let me know if you have noticed this, that across the board, all holistic medicine, complementary medicine, alternative medicine is meant as a toolkit to, like, why ignore over like 5,000 years of trial and error? Our bodies are still the same. It's still the same biological makeup, and they've tested all this like just by trial and error. So I just feel like we shouldn't excuse it and dismiss it. We should use it as a combination, as exactly that, complementary medicine. Use it as a toolkit to help prevent like diseases, and your health is everything. Health is wealth. Yes, so let me know down in the comments if you've also seen this trend that across all holistic medicine there's a real general similarities of like how you talk to yourself, the impact of emotions, that emotions can get stuck in your body, and that once you become aware of this, you really notice that, like, if you have a sore shoulder, it can be like certain areas and certain organs correlate to certain emotions. They say like the liver can be like grief. They say like shoulders and pain can be like responsibilities. It can be like headaches, can be like frustration. Problems with your knee or joints, it's like about flexibility and movement. Yeah, I think there's something to it. It may be the root cause, and then like biology kicks in, and yes, like the immune system can be overactive, or it's an immune response, or biology happens then. But maybe if we knew the root cause, like prevention is better than cure. And even when it comes to skincare, you see a lot like breakout with stress, and we're always talking about diet and how your skincare can be like your skin type and all is one thing, is what you're born with, but like your skin condition can be directly affected by stress, diet, but stress comes about from your perspective on life and your perspective on what you're going through and how you respond. Are you reacting? Is your parasympathetic nervous system like just on survival mode? And when you survive like that, you either like, you just react instead of taking your time to think and respond. So it takes a lot of work to get out of that survival mode and go hustle life culture. And that's what really brought me into feminine energy as well, embracing feminine energy and learning about it and how to apply it, how to bring it out. You already have it. All genders do, everybody does. How to learn how to apply that, maybe amplify it a bit more, or become aware of it. It really helps. That's the main thing that's actually helped me try get out of that survival mode. And I felt like my skin's been better, I've looked a lot fresher, mainly health concerns. You still get your usual colds and flus and stuff, because I find my diet wouldn't be like top notch 100%. So, and there's still daily stresses of being a mom, being a mother as well. I read some article that they said that the cortisol spikes in mothers, stay-at-home moms, or people looking after children is the equivalent of soldiers on the battlefield. Cortisol spikes as in your stress level, your stress response. I was like, can that be real? Like, that sounds so out there, but sometimes maybe. Like, and then like mom rage is a real thing. It's just being overworked, I think. But it's all about balance and, again, perspective. So here I am, just getting ready. We went out for a nice kind of tapas style meal, and I wasn't fully happy with my hair. I went to get it cut, so you'll see that later in the video, and it needs a bit of blonde refreshing. I'm trying to go for that icy blonde look, but I just keep ending up with all my ginger roots. So I'm trying to use that blue shampoo. I have a video all about that if you like to dye your own hair blonde, if you're brave enough. I always recommend going to the hairdresser, obviously, if you can initially, but for like root touch-ups or just in between at home. If you like this combination of get ready with me and makeup looks, but also more deeper, meaningful conversations as well, give me a little heart emoji down in the comments, and I'll know to make more content like this for you. Let me know what other makeup looks I could try do a tutorial if you like as well. Makeup is fun for me, so I'd really enjoy that. So let me know if there's a particular look you want me to go over. If you enjoy seeing that content. Here I'm showing you guys, there's like different lighting on my mirror. So do you see how different like your skin texture and your pores looks in different lighting? And look how different the makeup looks. So when you see makeup done in a picture, like everybody has pores and textures and hair on their skin, on their face. So I'd be so used to that from working on clients and seeing all the different skin types and seeing people without makeup. So yeah, just embrace that everything is about lighting and how you take a picture, and if there's a flash in the picture. Here I'm trying to decide on what shoes to wear. I went for nice little brown sandals in the end. Today we were out shopping for like just browsing some of the baby stuff, baby equipment. Getting stocked up, ready to go, starting to nest already. Yeah. So I really hope that this video gave you something to think about, something to ponder. Maybe you know this stuff already, but for those out there that mightn't have thought of this or seen these connections, hopefully it make you more aware, and maybe it's inspiring to check in with yourself on your own emotions and to check in and really value your health. Thank you for watching and for listening, and I'll see you in the next episode.